We've made our little specific gravity instrument. It's quite handy having these marks down here because I can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down. That's where the bottom of my paper is. I'm taking this out and I'm going to colour code it. So this is where a few coloured pencils are quite useful, and you can just make a red mark just below that 1 line. Remember, this is specific gravity of 1. And now put the paper back in again, and because we've already checked that the paper comes down to 5 of those ridges, and now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and check again, and we just need to adjust that, just make sure that we've got the bottom of the meniscus right on that red mark, which is our 1. So that's our standard. Specific gravity of 1. Paper towel and dry it off. We don't want any of that pure water, that fresh water on our instrument when we test it. And here I've set up the 100 parts per thousand, and just give it a wee spin. You don't want any little air bubbles sticking, and we can see straight away that it's a lot higher. And again, we can take it out, take a different colour pencil and colour code that mark. So we've set our standard, pure water, specific gravity of 1. And we've set our scale now too, because the spacing between 1 and our 100 parts per thousand 1.1 is 10 millimetres. Each millimetre is 0.01 specific gravity. Getting there, we've made a few mistakes. There's some mistakes that haven't worked on the left there. And to paraphrase Sir Paul Callaghan, good science is paved with mistakes along the way, so keep at it. Now we're going to really work. We're going to take each of these solutions we've made up and test its sensitivity. Can it detect 5 parts per thousand? Maybe. Let's do another test between 5 and 10. Definitely something happening here, I think. You'll see it clearly is sensitive to 10 parts per thousand, probably 5. And also check our scale. Can it detect our 20 parts per thousand? Yes, looking like it's pretty spot on there. Our seawater sample, the one that represents most ocean water, 35, does this, oh, and look at the bottom of the meniscus, it's almost exactly between the 3 and 4 mark. 55 parts per thousand, evaporated pool in summer. Might need to make a fresh solution or check 0 again.